Good morning to everyone. Let us start our chemistry class. As we all know that in previous session we started new chapter classification of elements and periodic properties where I spoke Daubernier law of triad. It was the first law to classify the elements in systematic manner to study the chemical and physical properties of the elements. Okay, so these scientists, Daubernier, Newland, Mendeleev, who arranged the elements in the increasing order of atomic weight. Okay, so in ancient time, atomic weight was taken as a standard in classifying the elements to study the properties of all the known elements at the time of Daubernier, Newland, Mendeleev. Okay, so in last session, we discussed Daubernier law of triad and we have seen various examples of Daubernier law of triad. Once again, I want to recall what is Daubernier law of triad. Triad means what? Group of three elements. Okay, see that when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic weight, not atomic number, when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic weight, in the increasing order of atomic weight, the atomic weight of middle element, the atomic weight of middle element was found to be equal to the average of masses of other two elements. Okay, once again, when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic weight, the atomic weight or atomic mass of middle element was found to be, the atomic weight of middle element is equal to the average of masses of first element and third element. Suppose if you arrange lithium, sodium, potassium, okay, Daubernier, it is the first triad of Daubernier law. Okay, so when lithium, sodium, potassium are arranged in the increasing order of atomic weight, so the atomic weight of lithium 7, the atomic weight of sodium 23, the atomic weight of potassium 39. Already we have seen. Once again I am repeating this. When these three elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic weight, now let us find out average of masses of lithium and potassium. So what is the weight of lithium? 7. 7. What is the weight of potassium? 39. Okay, how many masses we have? 2 masses by 2. 7 plus 39 how much? 46. 46 by 2. 46 by 2. If you simplify, you will get 23. So this 23 number exactly equal to the atomic weight of middle element sodium. Clear? So these three elements could be fitted into the Daubernier law of triad. For these three elements, Daubernier law was applicable successfully. Okay, so in this way, two more triads Daubernier could able to make. What are the two more triads? First one is lithium, sodium, potassium. This is the first triad, and second triad is chlorine, bromine, iodine, and this is the second triad. And third one is what? Calcium, strontium, barium. So in this way, few elements Daubernier could able to arrange in the form of triad. Clear? Now, in this class, I am going to teach you drawbacks of Daubernier law of triad. Okay, I hope you all understood what is Daubernier law. You try to remember Daubernier law. Clear? Now, so even though this law was successful in classifying the elements, Daubernier law was successful in classifying the elements, but this law had some drawbacks, some defects. This law had some defects, some mistakes. Okay, so those defects, those drawbacks, I want to tell you in this session. Clear? The first drawback, the main drawback of this law, the main drawback of this law was that this law was not applicable to all the known elements. Okay, try to understand this point. This law was not applicable to all the known elements at the time of Daubernier. At the time of Daubernier, there were nearly 50 elements. How many elements? 45 to 50 elements. All these elements could not be arranged At the time of Dauvergne, all these elements could not be arranged into the form of triad. Okay, clear? So this law was not applicable to the all known elements at the time of Dauvergne. Only few elements could be arranged. Only few elements could be arranged into the form of triad. Okay, and this law was applicable to the limited number of elements. Already, as I already told you, this law was applicable to the few elements. This law was applicable to the limited number of elements, as we have seen three triads. One is lithium, sodium, potassium. Second one is chlorine, bromine, iodine. Third one is calcium, strontium, barium. Okay, only around 10 to 15 elements could be arranged into the form of triad. Okay, so it was not able to arrange all the known elements. Dauvergne was not able to arrange all the known elements into the form of triad. Okay, this is the first drawback of Dauvergne law. What is the first drawback? This law was not applicable to all the known elements. It was applicable to only few elements. That means what? Only few elements, 10 to 15 elements could be arranged into the form of triad, and remaining elements, okay, rest of elements could not be arranged into the form of triad. Okay, so this law failed to arrange some more elements into the form of triad. Clear? And second one, according to Dauvergne law of triad, one point became very clear that, okay, so as Dauvergne arranged elements in the increasing order of atomic weight in the form of triad, he noticed that, okay, Dauvergne found that there was close relationship between atomic weight and properties. Okay, what Dauvergne told us? Dauvergne told us that the elements placed in a triad, have almost similar chemical and physical properties. Okay, suppose if you arrange lithium, sodium, potassium into the form of triad, and these three elements have almost same properties. In the modern periodic table, these three elements are placed in the same group, first A group. Okay, lithium, sodium, potassium, like that. Okay, clear? So in the same way, Dauvergne told us that the elements placed in a triad have almost the same properties. Okay, that means there was a relationship between atomic weight and properties. That means what? The properties of the elements, the properties of the three elements placed in a triad, okay, the properties of three elements placed in a triad depend upon the atomic weight, not atomic number. Basing on the atomic weight, Dauvergne could able to arrange the elements into the form of triad. Clear? So there was a relation, there was a close relationship between atomic weight and properties of the elements. Clear? And next, and one more drawback, this law was not applicable to the elements of same chemical family. Okay, clear? And here I am giving one example. This law was not applicable to the elements of same chemical family. Here the elements are iron, ruthenium Ru, osmium Os, cobalt Co, rhodium Rh, iridium Ir, nickel Ni, palladium Pd, platinum Pt. These 9 elements in the modern periodic table, these 9 elements which are present in the middle of the periodic table. Remember that. So these elements are also called as D block elements. D block elements, and these elements belongs to same chemical family. Third, eighth B. These elements belongs to eighth B group family, D block elements, and these elements belongs to same chemical family. These elements are called as D block elements. In modern periodic table, these 9 elements are placed in the middle of the periodic table, but for which Dauvergne law was not applicable, even though they have same properties. These 9 elements have almost same properties, but these 9 elements could not be fitted. These 9 elements could not be fitted into the Dauvergne law of triad. Okay, clear? So this law was not applicable to the elements of same chemical family. Like these 9 elements. These 9 elements belongs to same chemical family, for which Dauvergne law was not applicable. Dauvergne law fails to apply is law. Dauvernier law completely fails for these elements, for these 9 elements. So these 9 elements could not be fitted into the Dauvernier law of triad, even though they have almost same properties. Clear? So these are the drawbacks of Dauvernier law of triad. First one is what? This law was applicable to the limited number of elements. Okay, remaining elements could not be arranged into the Dauvernier law of triad. Okay, and next one is what? This law was not applicable to the elements of same chemical family, like these 9 elements. These 9 elements belongs to same chemical family. These are called as D block elements, for which Dauvernier law was not applicable. Clear?